Today I would like to introduce to you the ancient village of Giethoorn. This is one of the places worth living and should be visited once in your life. What's in Giethoorn? The ancient village, Venice of the North, in the Netherlands. Giethoorn is a charming and picturesque village located in the northeastern part of the Netherlands. It is renowned for its unique and idyllic setting, often referred to as the Venice of the North, due to its canal-filled landscape. Here's an introduction to Giethoorn, including its history and what it's like to live there. Giethoorn's history can be traced back to the 13th century when it was first settled by a group of fugitives from the Mediterranean region. These settlers discovered an area with abundant peat resources and dug canals to transport peat for fuel. Over time, the village transformed into a network of canals, and its name, Giethoorn, is derived from the Dutch word giet, which means to pour, and hoorn, which means peat. The village has a long history of peat extraction, farming, and fishing. In the past, transportation within the village was mainly by boat, and the homes were built on small islands connected by wooden bridges. This unique layout has given Giethoorn its iconic appearance. Living in Giethoorn offers a serene and tranquil lifestyle that is a stark contrast to the hustle and bustle of modern urban living. The village is characterized by its lack of roads, and instead, small canals and walking paths crisscross the community. Many homes are situated right on the water's edge, and residents often use boats to navigate the village, making it a water-centric lifestyle. Also known as the Venice of the North, offers a unique and idyllic lifestyle that is quite different from the typical urban experience. The most distinctive feature of life in Giethoorn is its reliance on canals for transportation. The village is crisscrossed with canals, and residents use boats as their primary mode of getting around. This peaceful and eco-friendly way of life sets Giethoorn apart from most other communities. Many homes in Giethoorn are quaint, thatched roof cottages, often nestled along the water's edge. These charming homes are accessible via small wooden bridges and boardwalks. Living in such picturesque surroundings adds to the village's charm. Giethoorn has a small and close-knit community. Residents tend to know their neighbors well and share a deep sense of tradition and culture. The community spirit is strong, and residents often work together to maintain the village's unique character. Tourism in Giethoorn is a vital part of the local economy, as this picturesque village, often referred to as the Venice of the North, attracts visitors from all over the world. Giethoorn's unique canal-centric lifestyle and charming natural surroundings make it a popular destination for tourists. Here's an overview of what tourism in Giethoorn involves. One of the most popular activities for tourists in Giethoorn is taking boat tours. Visitors can explore the village and its scenic waterways by taking guided boat tours or renting their own electric boats. These tours offer a relaxing and immersive way to experience Giethoorn's beauty. In addition to boating, tourists can explore Giethoorn on foot or by bicycle. The village has a network of walking and cycling paths, allowing visitors to get closer to the picturesque cottages and gardens. Canal-Side dining, shopping and cultural events. Giethoorn offers a range of restaurants, cafes, and tea gardens with canal-side seating. Tourists can enjoy local and international cuisine while taking in the scenic views of the canals and thatched roof cottages. There are charming boutiques and shops in Giethoorn where visitors can find unique souvenirs, including Dutch handicrafts, wooden clogs, and other traditional items. Tourists may have the opportunity to participate in or witness cultural events and festivals that celebrate Giethoorn's unique heritage. These events often include boat parades and water-based competitions. The canal routes and scenic views in Giethoorn are some of the most breathtaking aspects of this charming village, often referred to as the Venice of the North. Giethoorn's extensive network of canals, thatched roof cottages, and picturesque gardens combine to create a truly unique and visually stunning landscape. Here's a closer look at the canal routes and the scenic views you can expect to enjoy in Giethoorn. The village of Giethoorn is crisscrossed by a labyrinth of canals and waterways. These water routes offer a variety of picturesque experiences, from narrow and winding passages to wider expanses. Exploring these canals is one of the primary attractions for visitors, and many opt to do so by renting electric boats. These boats are not only eco-friendly but also whisper quiet, enhancing the peaceful atmosphere. Giethoorn is famous for its charming thatched roof cottages, many of which line the canals. The sight of these beautifully maintained homes, some dating back centuries, is an essential part of the village's unique character. The reflection of these cottages on the calm waters adds to the scenic beauty. In addition to the cottages, many homes feature well-kept gardens that often run right up to the water's edge. The combination of colorful flowers, lush greenery, and serene canals creates a visual delight for visitors. It's not uncommon to see swans and ducks swimming along these garden-bordered canals. The canals are crisscrossed by a network of small bridges and boardwalks that connect the islands on which the cottages are built. These charming footbridges not only serve as practical walkways but also offer visitors and residents wonderful vantage points to take in the scenery. Giethoorn is situated in the Weeribben-Weeden National Park, known for its unique peat bog landscapes. This natural setting provides additional scenic beauty and opportunities for nature enthusiasts to enjoy the serene waters and lush vegetation. The village's appearance changes with the seasons. In spring, blooming flowers adorn the gardens and add color to the landscape. In the summer, the canals come alive with boats and people enjoying the warm weather. In the fall, the changing leaves offer a different kind of charm. Even winter, with its frozen canals, can be a stunning sight. Photographic opportunities. Giethoorn is a paradise for photographers. The unique combination of canals, cottages, and gardens offers endless opportunities for capturing the village's beauty. Sunrise and sunset are especially popular times for capturing the enchanting scenery. Along the canals, you'll find charming cafes and restaurants with outdoor seating. This allows you to enjoy a meal or a drink while taking in the picturesque views. The canal routes and scenic views in Giethoorn provide an unforgettable experience for visitors. The serene and idyllic atmosphere, along with the visual charm of the thatched roof cottages and well-tended gardens, make Giethoorn a destination where nature and human habitation coexist in harmony, offering a tranquil escape from the hustle and bustle of modern life. Cultural events and festivals in Giethoorn. The picturesque Venice of the North hosts several cultural events and festivals throughout the year that celebrate the village's unique heritage and way of life. These events often include boat parades, water-based competitions, and traditional Dutch festivities. Here are some of the cultural events and festivals you can experience in Giethoorn. Sinterklaas Parade, November, December. Sinterklaas, the Dutch version of Santa Claus, arrives in Giethoorn with a festive parade. Residents and visitors gather to welcome him, and the parade often includes boats decorated with lights, music, and characters from Dutch folklore. Giethoorn Water Village Festival, July. This festival celebrates the village's history and connection to the water. It typically features boat parades, historical reenactments, and various water-related activities. The festival aims to showcase Giethoorn's unique cultural heritage. Canal Festival, August. This festival highlights the village's canal-centric lifestyle. It includes a variety of water-based activities, such as boat races, paddle competitions, and water sports demonstrations. Visitors can also enjoy live music and cultural performances. International Canoe Polo Tournament, July. This annual event brings together teams from various countries to compete in canoe polo matches on the canals of Giethoorn. It's a unique and exciting water sport spectacle. Giethoorn Regatta, June. A highlight for sailing enthusiasts, the Giethoorn Regatta features sailboat races on the village's picturesque canals. Participants compete in various categories, and spectators can watch the action from the canal banks. Easter Egg Hunt, Easter Sunday. Families gather in Giethoorn for an Easter egg hunt, where colorful eggs are hidden throughout the village, and children search for them while enjoying the scenic surroundings. New Year's Eve celebrations. On New Year's Eve, Giethoorn lights up with fireworks and festivities. It's a special time to welcome the new year while enjoying the picturesque canals and traditional Dutch celebrations. Chamber Music Festival, various dates. Giethoorn hosts chamber music concerts at various locations, including Canal-Side gardens and other scenic spots. These performances offer a unique cultural experience in the village. Local Heritage Days. On select days, Giethoorn celebrates its rich cultural heritage with traditional activities, including folklore performances, costume displays, and exhibitions that provide insights into the village's history. These events and festivals showcase the unique cultural and historical aspects of Giethoorn while offering a chance for residents and visitors to come together in celebration. The presence of canals and water is a common theme in many of these events, making them a distinctive and memorable part of the Giethoorn experience. When planning a visit, it's a good idea to check the event calendar to see if there are any festivals or cultural events happening during your stay. Whether you're looking to relax, take in the scenic beauty, or explore the village's rich cultural heritage, Giethoorn offers a unique and unforgettable experience for travelers seeking a tranquil escape in a captivating, water-bound village.